Karbi Student Coordination Committee (KSCC) organized a cleanliness drive at Dokmoka Higher Secondary School on Sunday. The program was joined by several members of the team. Here is a report. The campaign was headed by Jackson Pangcho, President, Shiva Teron, General Secretary, Krishna Tokbi, President, Dokmoka Higher Secondary School Branch, Raju Lekte, Secretary, Dokmoka Higher Secondary School Branch. It is informed the committee had planned to extend its cleanliness campaign in the days to come. They would be targeting educational institutes like school, colleges, and market areas.
Dokmoka Thongnobe College pen itum Karbi Student Coordination Committee mate thihek pen KSCC pusi nilpini niphai ingkoi ratrok bhomkuru arani lapen busi ka chiklo nilitum labangso program lagi litum social work mate itum school along ma college along ma ehem ma bozar along kadu ka bistami tum kepang thira sai bang ki kenang so la sini litum sitami non bini lethot labang so dim sitami nitum Dokmoka Higher Secondary asai hem along nilitum kepang thira sai nitum deng ponlu nitum Thongnobe College along KSCC member tapen Fisbriel nitum ma chingrumpet lapen dak Higher Secondary long sitami nitum chingrumpet pen labang so Higher Secondary long nitum asai hem long nitum kepang thira sai deng ponlu ahok lo nilitum lason dak taksi college along punon mai lason si bozar long hithi long punon nitum deng ponji la sipini la dak ke cheng lang non nitum la dak cheng et pen nitum Thongnobe College along stam nitum la bangso kapang thira sai nitum deng ponji lason dak thak sing ko nitum tang alo pulutang te nitum den rong hithi mate Dokmoka hithi la pen la pu bak pani nan stam nitum lason dak thang nitum kapang thira sai nitum deng ponji.
Samsing Inti from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.